Welcome to this unique curved-ceiling tiny home, a perfect blend of modern elegance and rustic charm, painted in a combination of dark gray and warm wood tones. This tiny house is true masterpiece of small space living. And welcome to the stunning interior of this unique curved-ceiling tiny house, designed with a perfect blend of modern elegance and rustic charm. This space offers both functional and comfort. With the large windows that strategically placed throughout, natural light floats the home, enhancing its spacious feel. The first thing you will notice as you step inside is the impressive curved ceiling, which creates a unique sense of openness. Combination of dark gray tones and warm wood accents adds a cozy yet contemporary touch to the entire space. The multiple window, including the large one on the top left, bring in abundance of natural light, making this space feels even more inviting. The kitchen in this tiny home is both stylish and practical, featuring high quality wooden cabinetry, sleek countertops, and modern appliance. It's designed to provide everything you need in a comfort setting. In a compact setting, whether you were preparing a meal or enjoying a cup of coffee, the well-lit atmosphere make this kitchen is delightful place to be. One of the standout feature of this home is the large sliding glass door on the right. Not only does it allow for seamless indoor-outdoor living, but it also provides breathtaking views of the surrounding landscapes. Step outside and you will find charming wooden deck, complete with a small table and two chairs, a perfect spot to relax and enjoy nature. Despite its compact size, this tiny home makes excellent use of space. The bedroom area is cozy yet spacious enough for a comfortable bed with built-in storage solution ensuring that every inch is utilized efficiently. The curved ceiling enhanced the ambience, making the sleeping area feel more open and airy. Okay, as we take a closer look at the construction progress of this one of a kind curved frame tiny home on wheels, designed with a sturdy wooden frame and a sleek curved shape, this home is true example of craftsmanship and innovation. The exterior is coming together beautifully, featuring a perfect combination of dark gray panels and natural wood tones. This balance of materials creates a modern yet inviting aesthetic, blending seamlessly with its natural surroundings. One of the standout features of this tiny home is its curved frame construction. Precision and careful engineering are essential to achieve this unique shape while maintaining durability and structural integrity. Attached to the rear, a wooden platform is being installed, adding extra functional outdoor space. Every stage of this build requires meticulous attention to detail, from reinforcing the frame to ensure a weather-resistant seal. Each step is crucial in bringing this vision to life. As progress continues, the home is taking shape into a cozy and functional space. Okay, this is about the beautifully designed bathroom of this unique curved ceiling tiny home with its combination of dark gray and warm wood tones. This space exudes a perfect balance of modern sophistication and natural charm. Every detail has been carefully crafted to maximize both comfort and functionality. Despite its comfort size, this bathroom feels incredibly open and inviting. The well-placed window allows natural light to flood the space, enhancing the warm and cozy ambience. The curved ceiling adds a touch of elegance, making the bathroom feel more spacious than it actually is. Here we have a minimalist yet stylish toilet, perfectly integrated into the design of the bathroom. Positioned to maximize space efficiency, it seamlessly blends with the dark gray and warm wood tones, ensuring a clean and cohesive aesthetic. The shower cabin is a standout feature in this bathroom. Enclosed with sleek glass panels, it maintains the open feel of the space while providing a luxurious shower experience. The high quality fixture and thoughtful design ensure both convenience and comfort. The wash basin is set against a warm wooden backdrop, creating a visually stunning contrast with the dark gray walls. Above it, a large mirror not only enhances the aesthetic but also adds depth to the space, making the bathroom feel even larger and more open. This bathroom is true testament to how stark design can transform a small space into a luxurious retreat. With its curved ceiling, well-lit interior, and seamless combination of modern and rustic elements, it offers both style and functionality. What do you think about this unique bathroom? Okay, well, between the exterior and some of the interiors that I present just now only focus on the theme of material and color composition. This doesn't mean that there is a correlation regarding the position of openings and synchronized layout between the exterior and interior. However, this is the design inspiration that I present with the hope of being able to give all of you about the useful ideas and inspiration about the tiny home design, especially for the interior and the layouts. Okay, this tiny home it's a true masterpiece of design, proving that small space can be both beautiful and highly functional. With its curved ceiling, natural lighting, and seamless blend of modern and rustic elements, it offer an inviting retreatment for anyone looking to embrace tiny living. What do you think of this unique home? Let us know in the comments. Okay, if you enjoy this tour, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tiny home inspiration. And thanks for watching until the end, and have a good day.